Have you ever wondered how to create AI videos for YouTube? Well, it's easier than you may think. With the help of some innovative tools and platforms, you can generate engaging and informative videos without spending too much time or money. Firstly, it all begins with choosing a topic and format for your video. This is the foundation of your content and will guide the rest of your creation process. If you're not a fan of writing or simply don't have the time, you can use an AI script generator. Tools such as InVideo AI or Steve AI are great examples of this, and they can generate a script for you based on your chosen topic and format. Once you have your script, it's time to select an AI video generator that suits your needs and preferences. There are plenty of options available, both free and paid. Canva, InVideo AI, and Lumen 5 are just a few examples of free AI video generators. These platforms not only generate videos, but they also offer a range of features that allow you to customize your content. Now, with your script and video generator at the ready, it's time to start creating. Upload your script or text to the AI video generator and sit back as it crafts a video for you. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you lose all control. You can still customize your video by choosing the clips, subtitles, music, transitions, and even voiceovers. You can use the AI video generator's editor or a separate video editor to make any changes you want. Once you're happy with your video, export and download it. Now you're ready to upload your AI video to your YouTube channel. But don't forget to optimize your video for YouTube by adding a catchy title, description, tags, and thumbnail. These elements can help your video reach a wider audience and increase its visibility on the platform. Creating AI videos for YouTube doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can generate engaging and informative content with ease. Give it a try and share your experiences. It's always exciting to see what new and innovative content creators can come up with.